Imagine your digestive system as a fortress, protecting your body against harmful substances. Now, imagine if the fortress walls had tiny holes, allowing invaders to sneak in. This, in essence, is what we refer to as leaky gut. Our digestive system is remarkably similar to a fortress. It's a protective barrier, shielding our bodies from harmful substances that we might consume. It's a marvel of nature, a complex assembly line where food is broken down, nutrients are extracted, and waste is expelled. It's our first line of defense against potentially harmful substances, acting as a filter that allows only the good stuff, the nutrients, to pass through into our bloodstream while keeping the bad stuff, toxins, bacteria, undigested food particles, out. But what happens when this fortress, this barrier, becomes compromised? Enter the concept of leaky gut. It's a condition where the walls of the intestines develop tiny holes. These aren't the kind of holes you can see with the naked eye, but they're large enough to allow substances that should stay within the intestine to escape into the body. Imagine these tiny holes as secret tunnels in our fortress, allowing undigested food particles, bacteria, and other harmful substances to pass into the bloodstream. It's as if the castle gates have been left wide open and the invaders are pouring in. These substances, which are not meant to be in our bloodstream, can cause a variety of problems. They can trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation and a host of other issues. It's like having a foreign army inside your castle, causing havoc and chaos. In essence, a leaky gut is like a fortress with breached walls, a protective barrier that's no longer doing its job effectively. It's a condition that can have far-reaching consequences for our health. So you might be wondering, why is this a problem? Well, let's dive into that next. When the fortress walls of your digestive system are breached, it's like a Trojan horse scenario in your body. The intruders can cause a multitude of issues. Imagine your immune system as the guards of this fortress. When foreign substances, such as undigested food particles and harmful bacteria, invade your bloodstream, the immune system jumps into action. It's a well-oiled machine, designed to protect you, but this invasion can trigger an immune response leading to inflammation. This inflammation isn't localized to just one area, it can spread throughout the body, causing a variety of symptoms. Let's talk about some of those symptoms. One of the most common signs of leaky gut is bloating. You might also experience food sensitivities as your body starts reacting to foods it previously had no problem with. Fatigue is another symptom, making you feel like you're always running on empty, no matter how much rest you get. Digestive issues such as diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal pain are also typical. And then there are skin problems like acne, eczema, or rashes that seem to appear out of nowhere. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and frustrating, but the potential long-term health issues associated with leaky gut are even more concerning. For example, it can lead to autoimmune diseases. This happens when the body, in its attempt to protect itself from these foreign invaders, starts attacking its own cells. There's also a connection between leaky gut and mental health issues. Research suggests that the inflammation caused by leaky gut can impact brain function, potentially contributing to conditions like depression and anxiety. And let's not forget about chronic diseases. Studies have linked leaky gut to conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. And there we have it. Leaky gut is more than just an issue with digestion. It's a complex condition that can lead to serious health problems if left unaddressed. If you're curious about how to recognize the signs and symptoms of leaky gut, click on the next video in our series. It's essential to understand this condition to take proactive steps towards healing.